So first we will solve the top orange layer. It will be like pyramid. Pyramid means three sides. So let's begin. 1. This is the pyramid style, and if you want this one to be in one style, so we have to first arrange this as top, bottom, top, bottom, then like this, shift, bring down, repeat, forward black, twist. It is pyramid style. Twist. It is square style. Twist, roll back once again with another angle, back, back. It's the one more. Last step is if you want green to be arranged, twist, rotate, green is almost in this way, two are behind, this is one more style. Z style. L style. This is cuboid style. This is the last previous style with one more grip and rotate for three sides. Rotate 7 times. White we will get. Let's solve the white one. I is done. T is done. Y is done. E is done. The last is blue. L is done. This is the way of solving the cuboid. Yellow, yellow to blue, blue to red, orange or green. or any color which you like. Specific, we have to take the center specifically.